The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra telephoto camera to get a significant upgrade over the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung appears to be maintaining the same level of zoom for the primary camera in the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra. This decision might lead to the perception that the company isn't prioritizing hardware upgrades in this specific aspect. Nevertheless, a reliable source indicates a significant improvement in the 3x optical zoom feature, which is expected to differ greatly from the 10-megapixel version found in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, while the anticipated 5x optical zoom enhancement might be absent. Ice Universe, a well-known tipster, has shared positive news that could bring a smile not only to his face but also to those following his posts. Ice Universe has consistently criticized Samsung on social media for not making the Galaxy lineup more competitively advanced. However, the introduction of a 50-megapixel camera with a 3x optical zoom on the Galaxy S24 Ultra might compel him to reconsider his stance. While the specifics of the sensor weren't disclosed, the leap from 10 megapixel to 50 megapixels signifies a nearly 5-fold improvement in image resolution. Consequently, any photos taken with the Galaxy S24 Ultra are expected to exhibit exceptional clarity. Moreover, the increased image resolution should help mitigate any loss of quality when utilizing the 3x optical zoom. Although Samsung could have potentially incorporated a 5x zoom lens, such a complex process would likely have incurred substantial costs for the company. Fortunately, a secondary 10x optical zoom camera is rumored to accompany the 3x zoom camera. However, details regarding the exact sensor size and maximum supported resolution for this secondary camera remain undisclosed by Ice Universe. Despite this, Ice Universe did note in a prior rumor that both cameras on the Galaxy S24 Ultra would witness quality enhancement. On the surface, it might seem that Samsung is refraining from implementing significant changes. Yet a closer examination reveals a more nuanced story. A notable upgrade in the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the integration of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Nevertheless, Apple continues to receive acclaim for delivering exceptional cameras in its iPhones. This raises the question of whether Samsung should endeavor to bridge the gap in this particular aspect and compete more vigorously with its rival. Regardless, the true performance of the Galaxy S24 Ultra in optics tests will only become apparent after its official launch in early 2024. So, for more news about the Galaxy S24 Ultra, check my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.